characteristics of first order reactions. We know that rate equation, rate constant equation for first order reaction is written as K is equal to 2.303 by T log concentration of R naught by concentration of R. In this equation, K represents the rate constant, T represents the time in seconds, concentration of R naught represents the initial concentration of the reactant, concentration of R represents the concentration of reactant after time t. This equation is modified as K cross multiplication KT by 2.303, that is equal to log concentration of R naught by concentration of R. This equation is similar to y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx. Therefore, we plot a graph in between time is taken is x coordinate and log concentration of R naught by concentration of R is taken as y coordinate. Therefore, y means log concentration of R naught by concentration of R. M means slope of the straight line, that is equal to K by 2.3. Therefore, log concentration of R naught by concentration of R is taken on y coordinate and time is taken on x coordinate. It gives a straight line passing through origin. It gives a straight line passing through origin is obtained. The slope is equal to K by 2.303 in first order reaction. Again, another equation is Ln concentration of R, that is equal to minus KT plus Ln concentration of R naught. Ln concentration of R is equal to minus KT plus Ln concentration of R naught. This equation is similar to y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. In this equation, y coordinate, that is equal to Ln concentration of R, m, that is equal to minus k, and intercept, that is equal to Ln concentration of R naught. Therefore, we draw a graph between Ln concentration of R is taken on y coordinate and time is taken on x coordinate. Therefore, this gives a straight line in this way. Ln concentration of R is taken on y coordinate and time is taken on x coordinate. It gives a straight line. That slope, that is equal to minus k, and intercept, that means it cut the y axis at this point. This point that is equal to Ln concentration of R naught. That means slope is equal to minus k and intercept, that is equal to Ln concentration of R naught. Now let us discuss about second characteristics, half-life period. Half-life of a reaction. Half-life of a reaction. Half-life of a reaction is represented by T of T1 by 2. Half-life means time taken for completion of a 50% completion of a reaction. Time taken for a 50% completion of a reaction, that is called half-life. Yeah. Another definition is time taken for one half of the initial concentration of the reactant. Initial concentration of the reactant. initial concentration of the reactant, that is called half-life. That means initial concentration of the reactant, that is represented by R naught. Time represented by T. Time half-life means T off. Therefore, initial concentration of the reactant is reduced to one of its value. Therefore, concentration of R naught by 2. That time is known as half-life. Now we derive the equation for half-life of a zero order reaction. Half-life of a zero order reaction. Zero order reaction. We know that rate constant for zero order reaction is rate constant K is equal to concentration of R naught by concentration of R by time T. Concentration of R naught represents the initial concentration of the reactant. Concentration of R represents the concentration of the reactant after time T. T means time in seconds. At T is equal to T of. At T is equal to T of concentration of R, that is equal to concentration of R naught by 2. That means concentration of initial concentration of reactant reduced to 1/2, that is called concentration of R. Substituting T is equal to T of and concentration of R is equal to concentration of R naught by 2 in this equation. Therefore, this equation changes to K is equal to concentration of R naught minus concentration of R naught by 2 divided by T of. In this equation is again modified as T of is taken into this side, K is taken on to denominator side. Therefore, T of is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to half. That means concentration of R naught minus concentration of R naught by 2, that is equal to concentration of R naught by 2 by K. This is the equation for the zero order reaction for zero order half-life period of a reaction. That is equal to T of is equal to concentration of R naught by 2K. That means T of is directly proportional to concentration of R naught. T of is inversely proportional to 1 by K in this equation. That means half-life period of a zero order reaction is directly proportional to the initial concentration of the reactant. Is directly proportional to the initial